Hello guys, I've got the Samsung Tab A7 Plus. This is in the, I think it's called the Mystic Navy, yeah that's it. And this colour came out this year, but when I quick do an unboxing on it, it's not a nice thing here. Okay. Okay, well, it's proper light. Just checking if it's alright because it got packaging got hit quite hard. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, what else in the box? Oh look, you get the pen, the S Pen. So that's cool. Oh, you get one of these pins if you want to put a micro SD, or if you got the 4G or 5G one, you can put a SIM as well. But I will need this because I'm going to put a micro SD. And this is a, oh, this is the plug. Which one is it? Is it the fast charging? But you can buy a 45 watt for super fast charging, which is good. And just the cable. Okay, anything else in the box? Nope, okay. You open this like this. Let me figure out. So here's the device. With volume controls and that. The colour is actually nice as well, which is good.